हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हम चैप्टर 9 मोशन एंड टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन इस चैप्टर का एक्सरसाइज स्टडी करेंगे। क्वेश्चन 1, आइडेंटिफाई द टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन। 1, मूवमेंट ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन। आंसर, सर्कुलर एंड पीरियोडिक मोशन। 2, मूवमेंट ऑफ अ सीलिंग फैन। आंसर, oscillatory and circular motion. 3, a meteor falling from the sky. Answer, non-uniform linear motion. 4, a rocket launched from the ground. Answer, non-uniform linear motion. 5, a fish swimming in water. Answer, random motion. 6, the plucked string of a sitar. Answer, oscillatory motion. Question 2, fill in the blanks. 1, if a ball is released from a terrace of a building, it comes down in dash dash motion. On the other hand, it reaches the ground in dash dash motion if it is thrown with force away from the terrace in a direction parallel to the terrace. Answers, non-uniform linear and non-linear. 2, the motion of an aeroplane on the runway before takeoff is dash dash. Answer, non-uniform linear motion. 3, the kite looking for its prey flies with dash dash motion in the sky. Answer, random. 4, children sitting in a rotating giant wheel have dash dash motion, while those sitting in a merry-go-round have a dash dash motion. Answers, non-uniform circular and uniform circular. Question 3, how are we different? A, oscillatory motion and linear motion. Answer, oscillatory motion, linear motion. 1, the motion in which an object moves back and forth repeatedly is called oscillatory motion. 1, the motion in which an object travels along a straight line or in the same direction is called linear motion. 2, oscillatory motion is not along a straight line. 2, linear motion is along a straight line. Examples, motion of pendulum of a clock, motion of needle of a sewing machine. Examples, motion of soldiers on parade, motion of train on a straight track. B, linear motion and random motion. Answer, linear motion, random motion. 1, the motion in which an object travels along a straight line or in the same direction is called linear motion. 1, the motion in which an object changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. 2, linear motion is along a straight line. 2, random motion does not have a definite direction. Examples, motion of soldiers on parade and motion of train on a straight track. Examples, birds flying in the sky and fish swimming in the sea. C, random motion and oscillatory motion. Answer, random motion, oscillatory motion. 1, the motion in which an object changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. 1. The motion in which an object moves back and forth repeatedly is called oscillatory motion. 2. Random motion is never periodic. 2. Oscillatory motion is always periodic. Examples: birds flying in the sky and fishes swimming in the sea. Examples: motion of pendulum of clock and motion of needle of a sewing machine. Question 4. Explain in your own words, giving one example each. A. Linear motion. Answer: 1. The motion in which an object travels along a straight line or in the same direction is called linear motion. 2. There are two main types of linear motion: uniform linear motion and non-uniform linear motion. 3. The motion in which a body traveling along a straight line covers the same distance in unit time is called uniform linear motion. Example: bullet fired from the gun. 4. The motion in which a body traveling along a straight line covers different distance in unit time is called non-uniform linear motion. Example: ball thrown upwards. B. Oscillatory motion. Answer: 1. The motion in which an object moves back and forth repeatedly is called oscillatory motion. 2. It is a type of non-linear motion. This means the body does not travel along a straight line. 3. All oscillatory motions are periodic because the body passes through the same point again and again after a fixed interval of time. 4. Examples: the motion of wings of a bird and motion of the needle of a sewing machine. C. Circular motion. Answer: 1. The motion of an object along a circular path is called circular motion. 2. It is a type of non-linear motion as the body does not travel in a straight line. 3. Circular motion can also be periodic motion. 4. Examples: motion of hands of a clock and motion of blades of a fan. D. Random motion. Answer: 1. The motion in which an object changes its direction and speed continuously is called random motion. 2. Random motion is a type of non-linear motion. 3. Random motion does not have a definite direction or speed. 4. Examples: motion of birds flying in the sky and motion of swimming fish. E. Periodic motion. Answer: 1. The motion in which a moving object passes through a certain point repeatedly after a fixed interval of time is called periodic motion. 2. It is a type of non-linear motion. 3. All oscillatory motions are periodic in nature. 4. Some circular motions are periodic in nature. 5. Example: revolution of the moon around the earth. Question 5. Answer the following questions in your own words. A. Which types of motion are seen in birds flying in the sky? Answer. The birds flying in the sky show oscillatory motion when they flap their wings. Most of the birds show linear motion. Some, like kite, display circular motion. Crows are seen moving in random motion. B. Write in detail about your experience of various types of motion while riding a bicycle on a road. Answer. 1. While riding my bicycle to school, I take a few turns and do not ride along a straight line. So, while going to school, I perform non-linear motion. 2. When I go for my tabla classes 2 blocks away from my house, I cycle on a straight road and hence perform linear motion. Sometimes during motion I travel with same speed throughout, thereby perform uniform linear motion. Sometimes due to traffic conditions I vary my speed, thereby perform non-uniform linear motion. 3. When I ride my bicycle along a circular garden, I perform circular motion. Thus, while riding a bicycle, various types of motions are performed by me. Question 6. Complete the puzzle using words for types of motion. 1. A spring is stretched and one end is released. 2. A minute hand. 3. A seesaw. 4 and 5. Children in a march past. 6. A stone rolling down a hillside. Answer. 1. A spring is stretched and one end is released. Answer. Oscillatory. 2. A minute hand. Answer. Circular. 3. A seesaw. Answer. Periodic. 4. Children in a march past. Answer. Uniform. 5. Children in a march past. Answer. Linear. 6. A stone rolling down a hillside. आंसर रैंडम. स्टूडेंट्स, आज हमने चैप्टर 9 मोशन एंड टाइप्स ऑफ मोशन इस चैप्टर का एक्सरसाइज स्टडी किया. थैंक यू.